Yes, okay, we will continue it again. As the Velu asked her that whether he can come with her or not, so she said that come if you want, as she was going home only. After an half an hour, they reached to a bridge from where the dirty water was flowing, and what she told to him that this is a Traplican and this is a Buckingham Canal. So वैल्यू स्टेयर मीन्स एक ही साथ देखते रहना कंटिन्यूसली टू लुक एट समथिंग. दिस वॉज अ कैनल. नियर सम puddles of water was a row of the strangest hut he had ever seen. What is the meaning of strangest hut? That he had never seen such kind of huts. झोपड़े थे वो सारे. They were not the proper huts. They were built out with all sort of things like metal, sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic. They stood crookedly. Crookedly means tede mede, not straight. The things which are slightly bending and it looks like that it may fall at any moment and look as they would fall any moment. Is this where you live? These houses are strange, said Velu. In our village, the houses are made of mud and palm leaves. Jaya went around to one of the huts and dumped her sack outside. Then she picked up an empty one. Let's go. She turned to Velu and gave him a show. What she did, dumped her sack and taken the another one and told that and when she kept that she have taken one show and give it to the Velu and told him that at least help me now. Here wear this and come with me. She threw him a pair of old shoes without laces and pushed a sack and a stick into his hand. What she did it then? She gave one of the sack and stick to the Velu also. Velu was confused. What work did she want him to do with these things? The only work he had ever done was on the landowner's farm, weeding and taking cows out to graze. Means when she gave him the sack and one stick and told him to do the things now what she was doing, so he was wondering that why she is giving the things to me as he don't know what to do with this. The thing which he was knowing was that he only know how to do the weeding in the farm of the landlords, and the other thing was that he was taking the cows out for the grazing. वो या तो गाय चराने लेके जाता था या फिर जो खेतों में सब जो जंगली का पौधे फसलों में उगते हैं उसे निकालने का काम करता था. He was not knowing other things to do. Are there any farms in the city? He asked Jaya. What he asked to him that there are any other फार्म इन दिस सिटी. क्या इस शहर में खेत हैं जहाँ पे वो कुछ काम कर सके.